What's the meaning of Antigua and Barbuda? Antigua and Barbuda. Antigua and Barbuda. Antigua and Barbuda. Antigua and Barbuda. Antigua and Barbuda.
Antigua and Barbuda is a country located in the Caribbean Sea. The name Antigua comes from the Spanish word meaning ancient or old, while Barbuda is believed to be named after the Portuguese word for bearded, referring to the island's fig trees. The country gained independence from Britain in 1981 and is known for its stunning beaches and luxury resorts. With a population of around 100,000 people, the economy is largely based on tourism and financial services. The official language is English and the currency is the Eastern Caribbean dollar.